Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hidayatullah from Faro Degree College. The next topic is regarding different kinds of sentence. We change direct and indirect speech based on different kinds of sentence. The first one is assertive sentence, जिसको हम कहते हैं जुमला खबरिया. Assertive sentence simply share information. If the sentence of the reported speech is in a assertive form, we will change set to of the reporting speech into told, and if the reporting verb is used without an object, we never change said into a told. If there is no object, then we will never change said to into a told. For example, in this sentence, in assertive sentence, we use to join reporting and reported speech together with the help of a conjunction that. That is always used with assertive sentence. For example, Aslam said, which is the reporting speech of this sentence, I shall see her today. Aslam said, because there is no object, then we will never change said into a told, as I mentioned here in the first. Aslam said that he would see her that day. Today is changed to that day in an indirect speech. In the second example, the reporting speech is used with an object, me. For example, Akbar said to me, it was raining yesterday. Now, if there is an object in a direct speech, we will change said to into a told. In this way, Akbar told me that it had been raining the previous day. Yesterday is changed to the previous day, and it was is used in a past continuous tense. It is changed to had been. Past, I told in the previous lecture that present continuous is changed to past continuous and present perfect to past perfect. In the same way, past continuous is changed to had been, past perfect continuous. In the second category of this sentence is that is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, जिसको हम सवालिया जुमले भी कहते हैं. They just ask questions. But there are two types of interrogative sentence. One is beginning or starting with the helping verb, and the other is starting with WH like which, like why or what. If the sentence in the reported speech is starting with the helping verb, we will use conjunction if or whether. For example, Hamid said to Munir, are you coming to the tea party today? Now, we will change reporting speech into interrogative sentence into asked. Hamid asked Munir whether he was coming to the tea party that day. Today is changed to that day, and said is changed to ask because the sentence in the reported speech is in interrogative form and it is starting with the helping verb are. Now, the second example is, she said to me, when will you go to Karachi? Now, the reported sentence begins with the word WH, like when. We will change the reporting speech into she asked me when I would go to Karachi. In this type of sentence, we will use the same WH word as a conjunction to join reporting and reported speech together. The third kind is imperative sentence. Imperative जुमलों को हम जुमले हुक्मिया भी कहते हैं. Imperative जुमले में अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जो इस्तेमाल हुआ है उसको हम तब्दील करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंस ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर उस जुमले में सेंस एडवाइस का है तो हमने एडवाइस लगाना है, रिपोर्टिंग को एडवाइस में तब्दील करना है. अगर हर आर्डर है तो हमने आर्डर लगाना है. अगर उसने कुछ सजेस्ट किया है तो हमने इसको सजेस्ट में तब्दील करना है. जो रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच का सेंस है रिपोर्टेड का, वही हमने रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच का सेंस लगाना है. अगर डोंट इस्तेमाल हुआ है रिपोर्टेड के अंदर तो हमने इसको तब्दील करना है फॉरबेड में. आवर इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस में वर्ब को इनफिनिट बनाया जाता है। इनफिनिट का मतलब है, फॉर एग्जांपल गेट जो है ना फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब है, टू जब हम लगाएंगे तो इनफिनिट बन जाएगा। उर्दू में हम इसको मजदर कहते हैं और इसी टू को एज अ कंजंक्शन इस्तेमाल करते हैं इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस में। दूसरे कंजंक्शन जिस तरह दैट है या इफ है या वेदर है उसके इस्तेमाल की जरूरत नहीं है, बल्कि वही इनफिनिट का जो टू है उसको हमने बतौर कंजंक्शन इस्तेमाल करना है। एग्जाम्पल से हमें समझ आएगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही सेड टू द बेगर गेट आउट ऑफ द रूम। नाउ गेट आउट ऑफ द रूम इज imperative sentence because imperative sentence always begins with the first form of a verb. Now we will change reporting speech in this sentence according to the sense of the reported speech. Get out of the room is order. We will change reporting into he ordered the beggar to get out of the room. I change this get to get. It become infinite, and then I use the same to as a conjunction to join reporting and reported speech together. It will be always in this case in imperative sentence. Number 4 and last one is used as exclamatory which exclaim things and optative जिसको हम दुआइया भी कहते हैं। optative दुआइया जुमले। अगर इस जुमलों में रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच जो है उसको हमने तब्दील करना है एक्सक्लेम में या डिक्लेयर में। अगर वर्ड WH इस्तेमाल WOH हाउ इस्तेमाल हो या WHAT इस्तेमाल हुआ है तो हमने इसको तब्दील करना है वेरी और मोस्ट में। लेट अगर रिपोर्टेड के अंदर इस्तेमाल हुआ है बतौर प्रोपोजल तो वी विल चेंज द सेम लेट इनटू शुड एंड दैट इज यूज्ड टू जॉइन रिपोर्टेड एंड रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच टुगेदर एज अ कंजंक्शन लाइक इन असर्टिव सेंटेंस आई सेड द बॉय सेड हुर्रा वी हैव वन द मैच। हुर्रा वी हैव वन द मैच इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी, इट exclaims something. The boy exclaimed with joy because we have won the match. There is a joy in this reported speech. When there is, what the sense of the reported speech is change the sense of the reporting speech. In the boy exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Now I change have into had, as in the previous lecture we have discussed under the title of back shift to change different sentence present into in the respective past and future is conditional, and to change past tense is an option, either to change it or not. Thanks.